Assalamualaikum and hi guys, in this mobile robot video part 3, I will share with you on how to program and control the robot. First, connect the USB micro Bcable to the laptop. Then, go to our website and search for the Arduino Bluetooth robot kit. Scroll down and click on the sample code. Copy the sample code and paste it in Arduino IDE. Then, upload the sample code to the Arduino. This sample code will allow us to control our mobile robot using Arduino Bluetooth joystick app. By default, this app will send data to Arduino through Bluetooth on every 20 milliseconds. Arduino will read and process the data based on the instruction that we made. Okay, now you can disconnect the USB micro B from the mobile robot. Next, insert 4 AA battery into the battery holder. Now, we need to connect with the Bluetooth using our mobile phone. First, go to Setting, turn on the Bluetooth, then tap on the Bluetooth and search for devices. Next, tap on HC05. By default, the pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we have paired our Bluetooth. Next, open Arduino Bluetooth joystick app. Tap on Connect button. Then, choose HC05. Now, our Bluetooth is connected. Now you can start to play with the mobile robot. I hope you enjoy making this mobile robot with me. Thank you for watching.